Say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning.
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this baby wig. If you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
Some things never change, never change.
I'm going to use this cap as my band. I didn't want to use a wig cap because it's bigger, and then I'm going to use this mannequin head because it's smaller compared to the mannequin head that I always use.
Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your
I'm going to cut the bottom part of this cap to make my band.
never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change.
So the circumference of our child's head is like 18 inches and my mannequin head is 18.5, which is okay. So even the bigger the better because you don't want the band to be tight on the kid's head.
Only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change.
I'll be using this hair. I've actually used this hair in my previous video. I used one bundle and I have 2 bundles left. So for this video I'm going to use only 1 bundle.
In my wake, swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change.
One trick you're supposed to do is fold the top part of this band like this because you know you'd already cut it and someone can see like it has been cut. So fold it like this and then you're going to stitch the bundles on the part that I've folded.
Things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again.
So guys, kindly note that I'm not like stitching the entire cap, like I'm just stitching on the part that I folded, and then through the like this band has like 2 layers already, and then the part that I folded, so it's kind of like 3 layers. So I'm stitching on the first layer and the second layer, but I'm not like stitching the first layer because also I don't want my wig to be tight, and also I don't want like someone to see the stitches at the when I turn the cap inside out.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me.
Try not to stitch like the entire cap, like the 3 layers, because the cap might be tighter or smaller.
Make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong. I can't make right. I love the bird.
I'm done stitching the first round. So for this second round, I'm going to stitch 2 tracks together because I want the cap to be covered. Like I don't want someone to see the baby's hair. So stitch 2 tracks together for the second round. Again, for these tracks, just try as much as you can not to stitch the first layer of the cap. I'm stitching the tracks on top of the first track. Like I don't want my cap to be small. As in, try as much as you can not to make this cap tighter because you know it's a child who's going to wear it, and like you can't tell you if the cap is too tight. So try as much as you can not to make the cap smaller or tight.
I'm shaking now, cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below, you set myself.
So after done stitching, you're going to turn the cap inside out so that you know you don't want the stitches to be seen.
Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. I know the truth. Oh, now
like that, and you have your wig cap. But then if you want to add a bow tie, you can just go ahead and cut an extra piece. So I'm going to cut an extra piece from this fabric that I was left, and I'm going to make a bow tie from it. You can stitch this bow tie however you want. You can turn it upside down, like just stitch it however you want it to be. So just like that, guys, and I have my beautiful baby wig, and it's not tight. I made sure like this cap is not tight at all, so when she puts this on, it's just like she's worn a cap or a band on his hair. It's not heavy at all. So guys, I just want you to comment below and your opinion if your kid can try this. I know sometimes babies have bad hair day, yeah, so they can wear this like to a photo shoot, like on their birthdays, yeah, and no one can tell that it's a wig. So guys, just comment below your honest opinion on this cap, if your kid can try this, if you will make this for your kids. And just look how beautiful she is. But then she doesn't like anything on her head, like hats, bands, but she really was feeling herself and she's feeling pretty. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.